Good morning, folks. I don't know how successful I'm going to be today, but I'm headed out to my buddy's place. He's about an hour and a half away. He finally was able to purchase about 70 acres that he and his family has been renting for ever since we were kids. And the old gentleman finally passed away. They had such a relationship where that the man put in his will that before his family sold that land, they would give my buddy and his family a chance to buy it. They would get first dibs on it. And so they offered it to him. He came up with the money and bought it. On this property, there is a huge, or was a huge barn, hay barn. We used to stack hay in this barn when we were kids. When I say kids, 13, 14 years old, maybe even earlier than that. We used to stack hay in this barn. So at some point in the past, windstorm came, just flattened it. So what I'm going to be doing today, we're going to be trying to salvage some of that tin or corrugated metal roofing panels, if you want to be technical about it. We always call it tin. Everybody knows what you're talking about. So anyway, I'm headed that way. I don't know what shape this tin is in. Made a little rhyme there, didn't I? Don't know what shape this tin is in. My buddy seems to think there's a lot still good left there. So anyway, I'm hoping to get 30-40 sheets of it, and that would save me a lot of money down the road. So anyway, I don't know how much filming I'll get to do. My buddy is very camera shy. He sees a camera come out, he's always been that way. He's never liked his picture taken. He certainly don't like to be on YouTube. He is not a YouTuber. He probably does. I don't think he's probably watched 10 YouTube videos in his whole life. So anyway, I'll try to get some footage for y'all, kind of show you what we're doing. And well, I guess the next time you'll see me is either I'm getting the tin or I'm coming home without tin. Well, I'm sure we can get something. Me and him always seem to get some kind of trouble, just not literally. But anyway, okay, let's get her done. Back up there, there's squilling at the home. Where you just do you have a big one with him? No, I do. I think the other one's a little bit bigger than you're talking about. But they come down with that. Yeah, hell yeah.
He might not know it, but I was going to tell him to do that anyway.
Okay, been slow going today. This is what we've got already. these 2 stacks here. We throw a bunch. All this other stuff over here is rotted or rusted through, no good, stuff like that. We'll throw that away. He's going to dig a hole and bury that with a backhoe. We cleaned all this out so far, and as you can see, I need a good, I don't know what this is, pulley or something, I don't know. Looks like wheels off a freight train, but block and tackle or something like that. Old oil well or something. But anyway, you can see the best tins back here. We got moved a lot here. Only come across one snake, a small snake so far. That was the very first piece of tin that I moved. So what we did, so damn thick. We came and cleared out a path there through here for his ranger. We tried to get down here, and that was a feat. We're going to try to get down here and to the good tin and haul it out. Oops. Oh, this stuff's thick. You can tell how thick it is. I say this, at least, barn is at least 50 years old. Probably a lot older than that. Because we used to haul hay in this thing, stack hay when we were kids. Here's the path we cleared out. It just took us about an hour to get through here. You can see all this brush. We're just trying to get to the side so we can get back here to the good stuff. And here's the good stuff. And we can smell a skunk, so we know there's a skunk in here someplace. We're hoping that we run them out. Probably not, but so got back here. You can see all this wall here is good tin. This old roof, all this is going to be good. And I know we're not going to get it all today, but we should get some good stuff here. And over here, we're finding a lot. Big old sycamore. See this here, it reminds me of a big pack rat. I guarantee you there's at least one big pack rat in this bunch. Y'all see that jar right there? Looks like an old cremate jar. We found a stash of, or not stash, we found a pile of old jars here behind me. I'm probably going to box those up and take those jars with me. Anyway, nope, here's a tin. So yeah, we got back here now. We just, it's rough. Helping him clean this up for him. He's going to keep some, and I'm going to take what I can. Probably have to be 2 loads. There's no way I can get all this one load without a trailer, and I don't have a trailer right now. So anyway, that's where we're at on the reclaiming the old corrugated tin. Stay tuned and see what we can get out of this mess. Hopefully we don't get on another snake or possums or skunks or something like that, or a nail. That's what we've been kind of, so much of this stuff's covered up. You can see, if you look closely in between the cracks, you can see this old hay that was never gotten out, or you know, hay that fell on the ground as we brought it in. It's almost 18 inches thick right there. So anyway, we gotta get it up here and get some more of this stuff out. Yeah, this is what, oh, big old salamander. No snakes so far. This is what we're always worried about, when we pull that tin back, being a big old copperhead or rattlesnake under there. So far we hadn't run across none. Cross our fingers. Okay, let's move this piece of tin. Oops, sorry. See what we got behind it. Oh wow. Okay, well, Oh, wire two. I try and wire that. You just never know what you're gonna find when you pull a piece of tin over. This is typical of what we're finding. A lot of the stuff that's laid on the ground got dirt and stuff on it. We'll find that about half of it is good and the other half is rotted through. So what I'm doing is taking my reciprocal saw and cutting it in half, because I'm getting a lot of half sheets and I can use those someplace. I'm just trying to get the good stuff, and this may be rotted through, rusted through there, but so far this is heavy gauge tin. It's heavier than what you can buy today, or at least heavier than what Lowe's or anybody else carries today. So that's why it's lasted. And it probably had some of the best chemicals in the world in the galvanizing. So, but anyway, I got more to get. Okay, gang, I made it home last night. It was a little late to film, but this is the first load we got. This is kind of the crappiest load. It's what we had towards the front. I think there's about 20 sheets here, and I've got about 2 more loads of the better stuff. As you can see, I used a couple of these cedar 2x4s I had sticking out. These are 10 foot sheets, I believe. I have to measure 10 foot, yeah, 10 foot, surely. Yeah, 10 foot. Let's go with 10 foot. So that's going to be just right for porch when I get it. Like I said, I've got about probably 2 or 3 more loads. We didn't get everything pulled out. We were wore out after we got that brush cut, that path cut back in there, and all that other stuff we pulled out, and we were kind of wore out. So then we made a mistake of going eating lunch, and we both ate way too much, and we got back, we cut that lane and all that, but we were we wore out. So there's about 20 sheets here, and this is a good start. And I'll probably go back this weekend, get another load. You see the stuff's not flat, and I was worried, and the wind was howling yesterday, and so I've got it strapped down pretty good, but I was just so afraid that, you know, wind was going to catch it or something. And I just need to redo my bed so I can get more of this in there. So let me get to stacking. So I gotta get busy and get this unstacked, or off the pickup and stacked up. Yes, sir. That's a good load right there. This is turning out better than I hoped. I probably already have what's on the truck when I piled. I probably already have 40 sheets. Yeah, I still got another good load left. So yeah, it's cool.